Dol. Dol ba?
Hi guys, it's Charme. In these new present times, we have faced many hardships, calamities, and trials. But having this new normal, we are still engaged to many different recreational activities with regards to safety protocols by the government. Now, I'm gonna show you what I usually pack or prepare when I'm doing some recreational activities with my other friends like mountain hiking. First is the backpack. You have to consider a pack depending on the number of days you will be gone. You aren't going to need a huge backpack if it is just a day hike trip. Next is the food and water. You must choose and pack food items that have long shelf life. Pack carbohydrate, energy bars, candy or fruit. Drink plenty of water. Water is heavy to carry, but thirst on the trail is a hazard. Next is the sun protection. Sunglasses and hats protects and keep your eyes and face covered from the sun's glare. Bring sunscreen no matter what the season is because you can get painful sunburn even in sub-freezing temperatures. Next is first aid kit. Pack antiseptics for cuts and scrapes, tweezers, insect repellent. One of the most unconsidered items on the list is also one of the most needed. Bug spray, a snake bite kit, pain relievers, and any needed medicine. Bring emergency supplies. In addition to the first aid kit, these emergency supplies must include a map, compass, flashlight, knife, waterproof fire starter, personal shelter, whistle, warm clothing, always bring something warm, extra clothes, and extra socks, and rain gear. Next is the hygiene kits. Aside from having prepared from the external environment, you must not forget your personal hygiene need. Also to freshen yourself up from dirt and dust, such as wipes and sanitizers or alcohol, would be the best pair. Electronic gadgets. Enjoying the cold breeze on the mountains, the beautiful trees, and the most amazing views of the mountains should be captured from cameras or cell phones and make us one of the most precious memories with your companions. And for some reminders, we should also wear appropriate clothing of which recreational activity we are engaging, like wearing outdoor shoes or sandals, pants, shirts, and never forget to always wear mask for us to have a comfortable and fun trip. Tara! Saka na to sa bukid!